Manychat versus Botpress, which should you use? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, we'll be delving into a comparison between two prominent platforms in the realm of chatbot development, which is Manychat and Botpress. And to create an account on any of those platforms, you can use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Manychat, it is a user-friendly platform designed for creating chatbots on popular messaging apps like Facebook Messenger, in which it offers a visual interface that allows users to build bots without coding knowledge, making it accessible to a wide range of users, from beginner to experienced developers. And Manychat provides various features such as drag-and-drop builder, automation tools, audience segmentation, and integration with third-party services. On the other hand, Botpress is an open-source bot building platform that offers more flexibility and customization options. It allows developers to create highly sophisticated chatbots using JavaScript and Node.js. And Botpress provides a modular architecture, enabling developers to extend its functionality through plugins and custom modules, in which it offers features such as natural language understanding or NLU, conversation flow management, integrations with various channels, and analytics tools. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Manychat and Botpress. Starting to their features comparison, as you can see on this table below, in terms of integration options feature, Manychat offers primarily Facebook Messenger, while Botpress various platforms such as Facebook Messenger, Slack, WhatsApp, and many more. And in terms of ease of use, Manychat offers intuitive and beginner-friendly, while Botpress requires some technical proficiency. And in terms of natural language processing, Manychat relies on third-party providers like Dialogflow or with.ai, while Botpress is an open-source community edition with no cost, paid enterprise edition with additional features and support. And aside from that, in terms of pricing model feature, Manychat offers tiered pricing structure based on the number of subscribers and messages, while Botpress is an open-source community edition with no cost, paid enterprise edition with additional features and support. And also in terms of community and support, Manychat has a large community and extensive resources, while Botpress has an active community and support channels. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using both platforms. In terms of ease of use, the pros of Manychat is that it offers intuitive drag-and-drop interface and no coding required, while the cons of it is that limited customization options, while Botpress pros offers extensive customization and flexibility, while its cons is a steeper learning curve for beginners. Now in terms of features aspect, Manychat pros is that built-in automation tools, audience segmentation, third-party integration, while the cons of it is that it offers limited advanced features. On the other hand, Botpress pros is that it offers natural language understanding or NLU, modular architecture, extensive plugin ecosystem, while the cons is that it requires coding skills for full utilization. And aside from that, in terms of community support aspect, Manychat pros is that it offers large community extensive documentation active support, while the cons of it is that it offers limited direct support option. On the other hand, Botpress pros is that it offers active community, open source community contributions, while the cons of it is that official support might be limited. Now in terms of scalability aspect, Manychat pros is that it is suitable for small to medium-sized businesses, while the cons is that limited scalability for complex bot solutions. On the other hand, Botpress pros is scalable for large and complex bot projects, while the cons, it requires more development effort for initial setup. And also, in terms of customization aspect, Manychat pros is that it has easy customization through templates and pre-built elements, while its cons is that limited ability to customize complex bot behaviors. On the other hand, Botpress pros, it is highly customizable with full control over bot logic and behavior, while the cons of it requires coding skills for customization. Now moving on to the pricing comparison of both platforms, Manychat offers free plan, which is up to 1,000 subscribers, and it has unlimited broadcast, 2 drip campaigns, and basic elements included. While on the paid plan of Manychat, it starts from $15 per month with unlimited subscribers, unlimited broadcast, unlimited drip, campaigns, pro templates, and advanced features, while the pricing model is tiered pricing based on the number of subscribers and messages, discounts for annual billing. Now moving on to pricing plan of Botpress. It also offers a free plan with unlimited bots, unlimited messages, unlimited users, and community support included. While on its paid plan, it starts from $495 per month with unlimited bots, unlimited messages, unlimited users, enterprise support, and additional features. While on its pricing model, it is pay-as-you-go pricing based on the usage of specific features. It is also custom pricing for Enterprise Edition. But the question is, who should choose Manychat? Well, Manychat is an option for people and businesses who value simplicity, user-friendliness, and quick setup when it comes to making chatbots. It's especially good for beginners and those not too tech-savvy who want a way to connect with their audience on platforms like Facebook Messenger. Small to size businesses aiming to use messaging apps for customer support, marketing, and engagement can find Manychat helpful thanks to its simple drag-and-drop interface, automation tools, and easy integrations. Moreover, businesses with time or resources can use Manychat's made templates and features to create effective chatbots without needing advanced coding skills. In essence, Manychat provides a platform that's accessible for anyone wanting to improve their communication strategies using chatbots. But what about Botpress? Who should choose Botpress? Well, Botpress is an option for individuals, developers, and businesses who want to have control and customization over their chatbot solutions. Developers with coding skills and technical knowledge will appreciate Botpress for its open-source nature and extensive customization features. Businesses aiming to create tailored chatbots with functionalities and integrations can use Botpress to meet their needs. With its architecture, natural language, understanding capabilities, and wide range of plugins, Botpress enables users to develop conversational experiences and seamlessly integrate with different platforms. Additionally, organizations looking to scale their chatbots across channels can benefit from the flexibility and adaptability of Botpress. In essence, Botpress enables users to build chatbot solutions that align perfectly with their business goals and technical requirements. And now, in conclusion or in summary, deciding between Manychat and Botpress comes down to what you need, prefer, and your technical skills. Manychat stands out for its user interface and straightforward usage, making it a great option for newcomer and small-to-size businesses aiming to create chatbots quickly and easily without coding expertise. Conversely, Botpress provides customization features, flexibility, and control over chatbot building, catering well to developers, advanced to users, and businesses with customization needs and the technical know how to make the most of its capabilities. So whether you value simplicity and ease of use or advanced customization options and control, both Manychat and Botpress offer solutions for developing chatbots that can enhance your business processes and customer engagements. And to make the choice between the two platforms, carefully assess your needs, financial constraints, and technical proficiencies in relation to your objectives for chatbot creation. So that is just a comparison review between Manychat and Botpress. Thank you.